Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay the Modem Marauder back again with another video. It's a nice day. We're finally bike season starting up early, I guess. Starting up early, it's like the first day of March. It's the first day of March, $8 for a tank. Can't be beat. Can't be beat. Anyways, it's the first day of March. It's March 1st, 2025. It's a Saturday, and I'm out and about. And I thought, my mom's currently out at work, and I thought, why not go deliver her some lunch? I know she didn't pack much this morning, so it'll be a nice surprise for her. So we're gonna be doing that today. A nice little surprise, a little fun. So gave me a reason to get out. So let's have some fun today. I'm gonna go on the highway. It's like I never usually go at this time of day out on the road on the bike, so it'll be a fun time. Got everything buttoned up, wallet, gloves, phone, everything. Okay. So anyways, gonna have a fun time. Maybe see some other bikers on the road. I have seen a ton of them coming out, so it'll be a fun time. Let's see how things go. Hopefully don't get pulled over, because cops probably know bikers are gonna be out now. Let's see how things go. I don't know if that kid was waving at me or that kid's waving at everyone. Oh, that's cute. Highway seems clear, so it should be a fun little ride. I think it'll be a chill ride today. I don't know, man. It's a nice day out. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's a very nice day out. Feels amazing. I woke up late. I was gonna go hit the gym this morning, but that didn't really end up happening. So woke up late, had some breakfast, and I was preparing for. I'm making a website. Well, I'm currently preparing to start a little coding project of mine for my portfolio. At work, we're supposed to do like a presentation. Like each week, we have like a different person doing a presentation about their hobbies, just like for some team building activity, right? And you know me, I need to have to be a little bit extra, so I have to be a little bit extra. So I thought, hey, perfect reason, perfect excuse to make a website, use that as a PowerPoint presentation, and at the same time have something for my portfolio, something new for my portfolio to dust off my coding skills, my web development and web design skills. So so when I woke up, had some coffee, had some breakfast, I started to prepare for that, and I'm probably going to end up doing that tonight, making myself some coffee, and just sit down at the desk and do that. Just have some fun. I know it's a chill ride, but I'm actually running low on time, so I'm gonna have to actually like hurry it up a little bit. I want to get the food to my mom on time. I'm still picking up. I'm still going buy it. Honestly, it might feel better because I'm not carrying so much weight on my back. I have my backpack on, but my laptop, my lunch, everything isn't in there. So it probably feels better because of that too. Like there's no weight on my back on the bike. I'm like flying, man. I keep checking back to see if there's any cars behind me. Oh, look, there's another bike right there. Let's go. We got cruisers, we got muscle cars. Fuck yeah, man. Let's see, Tim Hortons right there. I know there's a Subway here somewhere. I've ordered from there before. Where is it? Okay, wrong plaza. Wrong plaza. Hopefully the audio's still recording. I don't know if it is. Hopefully it is. Bike's running hot. That guy nodded. Okay, that's cool. Okay, there's Subway right there. I see the sign. It's the wrong area. So first right. First right over there. Thanks, man. Honestly, guys, when they said no bag, I assumed they meant like no bag, but this has a bag. Like, I have my backpack. But then I realized, oh shit, they meant like an actual bag, which I would have actually needed. So, damn. Anyways, we got the food. My mom might get mad because no bag, but it is what it is. Got the food. We still got a ton of time. To be honest, there's still a ton of time. I just realized my mask is low, so when people stare at me when I have my visor up, they see it like a mustache and glasses. I probably look like a weird dude, like I work in IT or like accounting, which I do, but still, you know, the old school sitcom guys with like the big old mustaches. I forget what the dude's name is. He used to be like a manager or something. I never really watched sitcoms, so anyways, on with the show. On with the show. Okay, bag secured, phone and everything in my pocket, so everything's secured. Let's head on out. I wonder if there's an easy way to get back on the highway from here. I feel like there probably is. I've gone that way from here before. Let's see. Can't turn here. Over there, there's a sign. There's a sign. Hallelujah. Guys, don't get distracted. I honestly thought I should turn my bike off for a moment. Alright, so as you guys can see, my mom really liked getting the lunch. Alright, let's go before the battery dies on the Action 3. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here for this one. Catch you guys in a bit. I'm going to be recording one more video. Hopefully, maybe if anything does happen, we'll ride back home. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Catch you on the next one. It's your boy Jay, the Mobile Router. If you guys enjoyed this, please do consider, bleh. And if you guys enjoyed this, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Thank you all for watching till the end. Have a look at all my other videos for motovlogs with the R7, the Suzuki Marauder. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit.